So far, it hasn't been able to make this left turn because cross traffic crosses it and the lines, I believe the dotted lines throw it off. So instead of going through the dotted lines, it tries to follow that and end up going towards the freeway instead of making the complete left turn. So let's see what happens here. It's supposed to go straight to the left turn, but it can't, so we're going to end up back on the freeway, and then it spazzes out because it doesn't know what to do because it made the incorrect turn. So now we have to go back on the freeway.